I created this course to help you build an online portfolio using WordPress as easily and effectively as possible. This is a jump right in kind of course, so if you have no previous experience using WordPress, you may be a bit overwhelmed. But fret not, my friends, we got you covered. If this is your first time using WordPress, or you have only limited experience with the publishing platform, I recommend you check out the WordPress 3 Essential Training course right here on lynda.com. It'll give you a firm understanding of how WordPress works out of the box and what you can do with the application itself. In this course, we'll be building an advanced child theme. If you're unfamiliar with the concept of child themes, or you want more information about what they are before you get started, go check out the WordPress 3 Building Child Themes course, also in the lynda.com library. These courses were created to form a natural progression, so watching them in order will give you a firm footing for developing advanced WordPress websites. Throughout this course, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser, but you can use whatever browser you want because, as we all know, browsers pretty much all work the same way. I'll also be using the Eclipse code editor to write all my code. Again, you can use whatever code editor you want, either a WYSIWYG editor or just something simple like Notepad. Now for the WordPress part. WordPress is a dynamic web publishing application that lives on a web server. It consists of two main parts, the application itself and a database that contains all the content. When developing a new WordPress site, it's always a good idea to set up a WordPress development environment on your local computer so you can do all the building and testing first before you publish the website to the web. This is not mandatory. You can follow this course and do everything on a live site on the web, but as we move along, you're likely to make changes that will break the site temporarily, and that's not a good experience for your unsuspecting visitors. Setting up WordPress on your local computer is made easy using one of several available tools. I use something called Bitnami. You just go to bitnami.org, find the download button, and then install it. You can also use WAMP if you're on a PC, or MAMP if you're on a Mac. If you want a further explanation of how to do this, you can either go check out the WordPress 3 Essential Training course, where there's a complete walkthrough of all these processes, or you can go check out David Gassner's course, Installing Apache, MySQL, and PHP, right in the lynda.com library. When all this is done, you'll be at the same point I am when we start, having WordPress installed locally on your computer, and now we can start working.